in Blackpool, we don't have much access to green areas outside, and the place is filled with litter. We deserve this outdoor furniture bundle because it would allow us to appreciate the greenery we have here at this sixth form.
In this busy modern life, it's hard to slow down, especially with the constant exposure to technology. Hopefully with this furniture, we'll be able to reconnect with nature, and this will help us slow down and remind students to have a care for the environment. Hopefully this will encourage students to join the eco-action and make a difference.
The outdoor furniture will fit in really well with what we're doing in the college and in this area to create a fantastic area for growing herbs, fruit and vegetables. It's really also an area for wildlife and nature. We're planting lots of native trees and flowers. And it's going to create an area which students and staff can use to connect with nature during their busy days.
As well as our students and staff, we would also like to benefit members of the public who aren't as fortunate as us. Using this furniture, we would also like to educate young primary schools who don't have the available spaces or anywhere to learn about what the environment's about. It's our goal to make sure that everyone is educated on how to keep our environment working and safe.